Guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and in this video I'm going to do a demonstration and unboxing and a feature overlook of a latest action camera from a brand called as SJCAM. Now if you're wondering why is this video in English, then I thought that probably this video might get interest from not just India but at least from some different markets. So probably a video in Hindi doesn't make sense, so I thought like shoot this video at least in English. So in this video I'll be showing you a demonstration and unboxing of the latest SJCAM's action camera, which is SJ8 Pro, and it comes with a 2.3 inches touchscreen, 4K 60 FPS features, and it comes with EIS, and one of the most important feature is that it comes with micro USB Type-C. Now why am I more excited about that is that my Apple MacBook Pro is Type-C, my phone right now which is OnePlus 6 is also Type-C, the headphones which I use is Type-C, the power bank which I use is again Type-C, and finally an action camera also which comes with USB Type-C. So let's do an unboxing and show you what we get within this package, and again I'll also do a comparison with the Xiaomi's 4K action camera which I have been using for a few of the vlogs which you see on my channel, again our travel channel, which is TripRaiser, and there are two different models which I generally carry with me, so you can get a quick overview on which one would be better. Again, if you guys are interested, let me know. I'll be doing a dedicated camera comparison between this and also the GoPro 5. So you guys can let me know in the comment section if you are really interested in that. I mean, which specific camera comparison you look forward to. So let's head over to the unboxing and show you what we get within this package. So if you take a look at the package, it has some information saying the features of this camera. Again, it records in H.264 and H.265, and it comes with and support for Apple, that's App Store, and the Google Play Store applications. Again, you can scan and download the application. Cameras information, like it comes with 160 degrees plus HD wide angle lens. It captures videos in 4K. It comes with MP4 JPEG photos and a battery of 1200 mAh. So let's open up this package and show you what we actually get within this package. So here we go. This is how you open it up, and the first thing which you get here is this camera. And what I like about this camera is that primarily it comes with a complete waterproof housing, so you don't have to worry about getting a separate accessory once you purchase this product. So that's very good, and you can mount it on your standard mounts for your helmet, for your car or your bike, and you can use it accordingly. So let's put this aside and first take a look at what else we get within this package. So wow, there's a lot of stuff here, actually a lot of stuff I would say. So there are some different mounts. Probably I think this is for the bike, where you can mount it on your bike. There are some additional clamps here, additional mounts, a bunch of them actually, I would say, different attachments, mounts, some 3M stickers if you would like to stick it somewhere. And then you also have this waterproof case, touch back door, waterproof up to 10 meters. So there's probably an additional back door I guess here, but this is what we get. Touch functions do not work underwater, so that's something you need to make a note of. And then what we have is another attachment, some more stuff, more accessories. So this is something, it might be useful for someone who is actually interested in using these mounts. They can take a look here. And we have a micro USB Type-C cable which I mentioned earlier, a cleaning cloth, and then finally we have a sticker. Now this is something interesting. The brand is so confident that they start sending their own stickers, and you have a reading manual which gives you information about the product in multiple languages. And here is the reading manual. Again, it says it does come with a speaker. On the left we have the on off switch. In actual, this is the shutter button. The front display, now the beauty of this product is that it has a little front display. In case you are shooting some selfies or stuff, you can at least get information in what mode you are shooting this video. There's a microphone here, and on the back you get this large display and a mic with a USB port option here and some indicators. So this is how the product looks like, and you get a physical overview of. So let's open up the waterproof housing here and actually take a look at the camera. So here I think it would take a while because it's being opened for the first time. Here's the camera. So this is the waterproof housing. Let's put that aside, and this is the SJ8 Pro camera from SJCAM. Overall, let me just quickly do a quick size comparison. So this is the Xiaomi's camera. Again, if you take a look, a little bigger I would say in overall size, and if you take a look at the Xiaomi's 4K camera, then it's almost close to Xiaomi's 4K camera. So here that gives you an idea. This is the Xiaomi's 4K camera, this is the Mijia, again Xiaomi's sub-brand camera, and the SJCAM almost close here. And when you take a look at this camera, on the bottom you have this screw mount option to open this up, and here you can remove your battery. But that said, you don't have to remove your battery generally, because you can directly charge it from here itself. And you also have the option to insert the micro SD card here. So let me just insert a card first. Again, this supports a card up to 100. I dropped the card. So this supports a card up to 128 GB, so that is something you need to make a note of. And again, not anymore. I hope I don't do that again, but let me try to insert it this time very carefully, and we are done. On the side we have the on off switch. Let me just switch that on, and this is being booted for the first time. There's again an indicator here. It shows the current quality, which is 4K, 2 hours or something, like some information is given here. There's a timing here and the battery status, so that's pretty good amount of information shown here. And on the back you have the actual view on how this looks like. So this is pretty wide, I would say, if you take a look at this. And I'll just add a quick clip here. Again, that said, let's change some options here. We have the option to create its own Wi-Fi hotspot to connect it with the smartphone, and we have the Wi-Fi frequency at 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Again, auto power off for battery saver. We have the brightness option. This is at maximum brightness right now. And if you take a look at it, other options are also available here. You also have the option of enabling an external microphone, so that's a win here. And you can also control it with the gimbal, so that you can enable that option here. And you have two different modes here, classic and SJCAM interface. This is the SJCAM interface. Again, let's go to the setting here, and we are back to the default settings. So this is how it looks. You can also enable white balance, increase decrease the exposure, and metering mode, and few other stuff can be made a change here. You can also enable the file size to be for 10 minutes, loop recording. A lot of stuff I would say is given here. Video quality is normal, economy, and fine I would presume would be for higher quality. ISO, audio, timestamp, a lot of stuff is shown here, and this is how it looks like. So in order to shoot a video, you just have to press this, and it says no card, so probably my card isn't working with this one. I'll have to switch to a new card. But this is how it looks like. You can see it's pretty wide if you take a look at what we see here. And overall, here's a quick video clip which has been shot with this camera. Let me know what do you think. Again, let me just remove this security wrapping here, and let me know what do you think about this camera's quality. Overall, this is the SJCAM 8 Pro. Hey guys, this video has been recorded with the SJ8 Pro camera's wide angle capabilities. Again, this is shot in 1080p 60 fps. No changes done. This is right from the camera, and let's hope the camera quality comes out to be great. I'm just shooting this now like a selfie camera. So what do you think? Let me know in the camera comment section below. No changes have been made. This is a raw video which whatever I shot has been shown to you guys. So if you think I should do a comparison, let me know. If you think I should share more footage from this camera, let me know, and I look forward to what you think about this camera's quality. Again, the audio also is directly from the SJ8 Pro, so let me know guys. So that's it for now guys. This was the unboxing of the SJCAM 8 Pro action camera. If you'd like to buy one, you can buy one from the link given in the description area below. And if you think I should be doing a comparison of this camera, let me know in the comment section, and I will be doing that in the next video. So that's it for now guys. I'm Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.